Hi folks, welcome back to the kitchen. In this video I'm going to be making a smoked turkey leg.
Oh yes.
Well, I'm using a couple of bog standard turkey drumsticks and I'm going to be marinating these with some stock vegetables, also a little bit of ginger, and I'm going to be smoking these on the barbecue, and I'm going to be doing a nice low and slow with these turkey drumsticks. Now turkey can be a little bit tough, so it needs a long cook to break down some of those muscle fibers, and you get this lovely soft unctuous meat. Now whilst it's on the barbecue, I'm going to be making up a nice sweet chili sauce to baste them as they're cooking on the barbecue, and I'm sure they will taste absolutely delicious.
Well, here are the turkey legs, and these are about 900 grams each. I'm going to be cooking them with the skin on, and here's the recipe that I'm going to be cooking them with. So I've got a bit of celery, a few leeks, a little bit of carrot, and some julienned ginger, together with a vegetable stock cube. Now I'm going to dissolve this vegetable stock cube in 500 mils of warm water, and while that's doing its thing, I'm going to be putting all these vegetables into this roasting tray along with the turkey legs. In goes the stock. Now I'm covering this with some aluminium foil, and this is going to go into a very low oven for around about 2 hours, and that's going to break down all those connective tissues in that turkey. Now the oven I'm going to set to 150 degrees Celsius, and I'll stick the timer on this because there's some other things I need to do while this is doing its thing, and we'll come back to this in a few hours. Right, this is done. Now I'm going to leave it in the oven just to cool down, and when it's cool we'll take it out. So the oven's now been off for around about an hour. This has cooled down to the point where I can handle it, and we're going to take a quick look. There we go. They're nicely cooked. Right, I'm going to let these cool down before we throw these on the barbecue and smoke them properly. Right, first things first, let's get this barbecue started. Now, while the barbecue's sorting itself out, I'm going to get these turkey legs out of that lovely broth, which we will keep, and we will make a soup from that, so don't throw that away. Right, barbecue's ready. Now, let's get some lovely oak on that barbecue. On goes the rack, in goes the turkey, and I'm offsetting this so it's away from the main fire. Above the fire I'm putting some water to keep the humidity up and to suppress the temperature a bit. On goes the lid, and let's adjust this. We're going to leave this for a while now. Now the hot sauce could not be simpler. It's simply tomato ketchup, classic barbecue sauce, some maple syrup, and I'm going to be using some fermented chili sauce, but you don't have to use a fermented chili sauce. If you have a favourite chili sauce that you have in your cupboard, then feel free to use that. Now I'm using 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, but if you want to use another sweetener, that's entirely up to you. I'm using 1 tablespoon of a proprietary barbecue sauce, and you can use one of your own choosing again if you don't have a Heinz one. And I'm using 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and I think Heinz is probably the best, and that's what I'm using. Give it a quick stir and a taste, and that's it, you're done. Right, these lovely turkey drumsticks have now been smoking here for about 15-20 minutes, and I'm just going to give them a really good pasting over with this marinade. I want to get it as evenly coated as I can, and I want to try and get as much on there as possible. Not only is it going to keep it nice and moist, but it's going to add a fantastic flavour to it, and also act as a really good key for some of that lovely smoky flavour. Right, these can go back on for about another half an hour. All right. Yes, these look really good. Look at that. Look how tender these are. Beautiful. So I'm going to leave them in the bowl, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally pull this off the bone. There are some quite sort of strong tendons in these legs which need to come out, so I'll get rid of those, and we'll see these in a moment. When taking the meat off the bone, make sure to get out all those little tendons. Now they are really sharp, and if you happen to swallow one or get one in your mouth, they can actually be quite painful. So you'll see me in a second going through the meat with a very fine tooth comb to ensure that I've got rid of all of those particular little tendons. So you can see me picking through the meat to ensure that I remove all these tendons. Now some of them are quite thick and flat, they're quite easy to get to, you can see me pulling them out here, but others are really thin and very fragile and can break. So you want to be very careful about taking all those out. So make sure you pick through the meat, and you'll have a lovely experience when you eat this turkey. So once I've picked all this meat, gone through it, taken out all those nasty bits, I'm going to put the lid back on the smoker, and we're going to smoke this for about another 10 to 15 minutes just to really give it a nice rich smoky flavour. And to keep things nice and moist, I'm just refreshing my water pan here for the last few minutes of smoking. Right, this has had quite enough time in here. Now look at this, this looks absolutely amazing. Oh, look at that. Beautifully smoked. It's got the most lovely aroma to it. Oh, we're not going to use that. This is what I mean by those little tendons that are in here, you know. Do keep a lookout for some of those tendons and some of the smaller pieces, which can be a little bit fiddly. Yeah. Take out the veins as well. Right, let me just try a bit of this. Oh yes, it's so tender. That's fall apart tender. Well look, I said I was going to make some fajitas with this later. I shall post a few pictures of that.
Well, I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a go. I'm sure you'll have some great success with this. Turkey is such a lean, beautiful protein, and it's very healthy and tasty too. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Let us know what you think in the comments section of the video. And in the meantime, folks, I will see you on the next smoky video. Bye now.